Savimbi, you gotta help! Right, damn it!
The fire finished. Sometimes it's too late to save a man. We must move out before we join them in death. Multiplier means the MPLA is ready for attack. If they want a fight, we give them a fight! Move out!
Mason, you copy?
Go ahead, Hudson!
MPLA forces advancing on your position about 1 click north.
Hey, we know! Savimbi's leading a countercharge!
He's got balls, I'll give him that.
What about Woods? Do we have confirmation on his location?
They've been moving him from one location to another. We expect Savimbi's men to report back soon.
The mortars have stopped! Here they come! Here they come, my brothers! Fight, my brothers! Mason, target the mortar crews! They're behind the rocks!
The mortar crews are down! Down, Hudson! They got T-62 tanks! We need you to take the heat off! Take out the tanks, Hudson!
Beginning strafing run. Damn it, I'm taking fire from the ground. Sooner or later, one of them is going to get electrocuted.
Nice work, Hudson. There's a couple of MG trucks targeting you.
I can't make another pass till you take out those MG trucks.
I'm doing them. MG trucks are down. You clear, Hudson?
Okay, coming around again.
There's heavy armor still out there.
Shit, Mason. Straight fire took out the chopper gun. I can't make another run.
Come, my friend! Climb aboard, Mason! They are weak! We must finish them! woods! The MPLA is not yet defeated. That's a very dangerous rescue, my friend!
Where is he?
He's being held captive by a Nicaraguan gun runner. A very dangerous man.
Where?
About 2 miles north. He's on a transport barge on the Cubango River. He may already be dead.
Let's go, Hudson!
I was MIA and but your old man thought I was dead. After all that shit Kravchenko did to him. The numbers, Reznov ain't stuck in his head. He had no idea it was real. How the fuck could he? Kravchenko, when I sliced that bastard open.
Coming on the convoy now.
The boys match Smithy's intel! Wood should be inside! Bring us alongside, Hudson!
Damn it, taking fire! Shit, we're going down! Just hasten!
Clear the decks! On each side of the barge! Damn, they're boarding us! They're all over the deck! Blow those bastards out of the water! We've got MPLA on board! Keep firing those damn gunboats! Enemies on the lower deck! That belongs to the gunboats! Okay, Mason, we're clear. Open up the container. Give me a hand with this, Mason. God. Woods, are you in there, brother?
Bodies are badly decomposed. These men have been dead for weeks. Woods.
Frank? Frank! It's me,
Mason! What did they do to him, Hudson?
Shit! We got Hyde right on us! Get Woods to cover! Come on, Woods! That arms crate is a gold mine! Grab the TGM! Take it down! Blow it out of the sky, Mason! Vehicle on the ground! Woods is going under, Mason! I'll get him! We've probably attracted the attention of every MPLA foot soldier in the area. We need to move. Come on, Woods, I've got you. I got you, brother. Village ahead. The antenna means they've got a radio.
We can call Savimbi for emergency extraction. Hold! Take cover behind that log. What the hell are Cubans doing here? They're just kids.
Soldados inimigos foram vistos na área. Você, que maneira é essa de segurar seu fuzil? Você se chama de soldado? Volta ao seu lugar. Continua chorando por sua mãe? Você quer ser criança ou quer ser homem? Feche-se, procura a área toda.
Let's move. Stay low. Keep your head down. Don't move. Let them pass. Okay, on my lead. We run for the wooden hut. Now.
Shit! They've spotted us, Mason!
Stay low. Keep your head down. Don't move. Let them pass. Okay, on my lead. We run for the wooden hut. Now.
Atacando alvos em movimento!
Don't move. More patrols passing by. On my go, we head for the grass. Stay close. Hold position. They're right in front of us. Okay, we're clear. Move out of the grass. You'll be okay, Frank. I'm gonna radio for help.
I'll take care of Woods. Watch yourself up there. Try not to draw any more attention.
Mullah Rahman. Do not concern yourself with local politics. Prosta marionetka. Как ты? Дед. Как сказано.
You were dead, man, unless you do exactly as I say. Tune the radio to...
You're going to kill me, see?
No one move or this fucker gets it!
El americano le está diciendo que no se mueva.
Shut up!
Él piensa que está en control, pero él no
I
es.
say shut up! Lower your weapon! I swear to God, I'll kill this bastard!
Los americanos no saben nada sobre la lealtad. Quizás nosotros deberíamos demostrar.
You son of a bitch! Hudson, we're moving! Get to the beach!
Did you secure evac?
Negative, we're on our own. Head for the river!
Damn it, Mason! Sounds like half the village is on our ass! What the fuck happened back there?
Can it, Hudson? Just keep moving!
They're closing in on us! We gotta buy some time! Use the poacher's platform to snipe! Get up high! Provide cover fire!
We gotta get moving, Hudson! Throw smoke!
Smoke out!
Grab Woods!
I got him! Let's go! We gotta make another stand!
Get Woods in cover!
Bring some animal traps!
They're still coming! Ah! Keep firing, Hudson! We gotta make a run for the river!
Throwing smoke!
Go! Now!
Come on, Woods. We're getting out. I got you, brother.
Keep moving!
Damn it! MG truck on the waterfall.
I'll deal with it! Get Woods in cover!
There's too many of them. Incoming mortars.
Come, we're getting out!
No.
Fucking Russians.
Damn it. No way out. What the?
You thought I would leave you? Huh? Hurry! Come!
Well, we got him, Mason.
Can't kill me. You can't kill me. Next to your old man. Put it all on the line for me. For honor, friendship.